Hey guys, today we're talking about the Nerf Stryfe. Like that new background, it's just garbage cans. Garbage bags taped to my garage door, but it acts as a nice dart thing, so that the darts, instead of flying everywhere, like ricocheting everywhere, they just fall straight to the ground. So let's get into the review. This is a Nerf Stryfe, and we're doing a review about it. Sorry if there hasn't been a review in an extremely long time. I've been busy doing other videos. There was a 100 dart challenge Stryfe that just came out just yesterday, or May 12th, 2018. That's May 13th, and we're talking about the Stryfe. This blaster is incredibly small. The grip is extremely uncomfortable. Well, I mean, it's extremely comfortable, even though it's really tiny for me. It comes with a 6-round mag, which is insufficient. Like, you could easily just pop one of the Nerf 18-round mags in there, and it would work just fine. It's highly modular, which is awesome. Super easy to use because the batteries are right over here. It's a little bit unsymmetrical, as you can tell. Like, it's offset a little bit, like that. But it's super easy to use. The batteries are extremely lightweight. It takes four AA batteries that just go in right there. Fires extremely hard with elite darts and waffle head darts. With any dart there is. Yeah, I really like it. It gets around a good 70 FPS, according to what Coop says, because I don't have a chronograph. But I like it. Super easy to use. Trigger pull's really nice. I don't know what happened to this one, but you can pull the trigger without the ref trigger being pulled. I don't know what happened to that or what. But, yeah. It's amazing, extremely comfortable, extremely small, it's extremely easy to mod, extremely modular. Like, I'll grab some attachments, if I can find any good ones. Like I said, it's extremely modular, so yeah, this is a really good combo for it. I really like it because this is basically like a worker stock. And, okay. Well, this stock doesn't work on it, so, one sec. Kablamo. Feels really comfortable, really easy to use. I really like it. I love Stryfes in general. I really like Stryfes. They're my all-time favorite Nerf gun. I like it, so let's move on to the firing test. Firing test. The first part will be shooting Nerf Elite darts in the Stryfe. So let's get to it. Straight up we got a jam because it was missing the flywheel cage. A little bit faster now. Alrighty, so now we'll be firing Nerf waffle heads out of the Stryfe. Head it to this side so you can see it. now going a little bit faster. If you go too fast without letting it rev up, then that will happen sometimes, so you gotta let it rev up before you can fire fast. I'll load up another mag just so we can fire it fast. Okay, got another 18 dart mag loaded up with waffle head darts. Let's fire it off fast. I guess I was playing the trigger too fast or something. Okay. Well, back onto my opinion of the blaster. Like I already said, it's my all-time favorite blaster. So let's check out the opinion. Now onto my opinion. What I think of this blaster? It's amazing. Definitely buy the blaster. If you find it at thrift stores, get it. If you find it at a thrift store, get it. Put new batteries in it. Get yourself a magazine. This is a spray painted 12-round magazine. Shove it in there, and then just PQ. Because it would fire with any magazine ever. Well, pretty much. Like, I could load up a 35 dart drum in there, and it would fire nicely. Like when the thing, the 100 dart challenge. Bam! It's a small pistol, but it's the best Nerf blaster in my opinion. You could easily just hang it on a sling with a 35 round drum. It's like, whoop. Plus you could dual wield 2 of them, which is amazing. I actually used to have 3 of them, but 2 of them broke. Want to see what happened to my other one? I'll show you. Well, 2 of them broke. Yeah. Never play around with stripes. So, I got myself a brand new one. And it works amazing. I will be overvolting this Stryfe. Well, I may keep it stock. But I just noticed another problem. The magazine lock is still in there. It's still pushable. But it's starting out without the thing. I don't know what happened. Huh. Okay, this Stryfe may have problems, so I might modify it. And if I get another Stryfe, I will keep that one stock, and I will modify this one. Or who knows, if I get 3 Stryfes, I'll modify 2 of them, and I'll keep one of them stock. Okay. See you in the next video.